Greetings, and welcome to another quick tech tutorial. If you're concerned about privacy or simply want to stop websites from accessing your location, this video will guide you through the steps to block location access in the Firefox browser on your mobile device. Let's get started right away. First, open the Firefox browser app on your mobile device. Next, tap the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Now, choose Location from the list of options. Finally, select Block to stop all websites from accessing your device's location through Firefox. And that's it. You've successfully blocked location access in Firefox Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more privacy and tech tips.